Good evening. This is Navy Old Thought Gamer, back on Space Engineers. I actually restarted because, you want to use what you learned. It's becoming more fun. I'm getting a lot more familiar with the interfaces, and I did some pretty cool stuff, I think. I'm not real fancy on my bases, but, I mean, there's my basic setup, and then I expanded over here. That's an oxygen generator. And I got the full refinery now, and the full assembly. And I put enhancement modules. I put two power modules and two yield or speed modules. That's what they were. They're speed modules here. So I get things twice as fast at the same power usage, which is kind of cool. And then on the back of this, and I got one upside down. Oh well. These are yield enhancements on my refinery, so I get twice as much ore out of everything. Rebuilt my miner. Might be a little tail heavy, but it works really well. And put some lights up to make things brighter. Oof. And put the medical bay here so things go a little faster. And of course I don't need healing right now. But a lot of fun. I'm looking for ice, and I have to find a lake. And I can't do that until daytime because you just can't see good enough. So it's getting close as long as the fog doesn't roll in. I seem to get a lot of foggy days here. But there you go. I'm going to probably pause this. I'm going to look for a lake. I got to get some more ice. I got some ice over there. Underground, I didn't find a whole lot of it, but a lake would be better. I don't remember seeing one as I came down, so I don't know if I'm going to find one. I think I can probably fly about maybe 20 minutes before the batteries go out. I got two full ones on here. I'm thinking of putting another one in the front here somewhere. On top maybe. Kind of fun to design these, but pretty tricky in a way, because if we don't connect things exactly right, then something doesn't work, and especially this stuff. If you don't connect something right in this, and I did when I started rebuilding this base, I don't even know what, but I had to tear it all out because one of these apparently wasn't connected right, and I couldn't find it. And I couldn't get power over here. So I ended up tearing most of this back out and rebuilding it, and then it worked. So I'm not sure exactly what I did wrong there. But yeah, let me pause this and wait for daytime, and I'll go fly around and see if I can find a lake. And then I'll come back, and either way, if I do find the lake or don't find the lake, otherwise I'm going to have to find more ice. There might be more over there. I don't know for sure. I've dug out one mine, but I'll be back. Okay, so it's daytime. And there's no fogginess, so I'm going to go fly around here. Oh, I know what I did wrong there. Okay. I'm gonna turn my batteries back into auto. There we go. Now I can do that. I just threw a couple solar panels up just for the fun of it. I don't know which way I should fly. I would think I'd need to fly downhill, but... So let's go. I have 23 minutes. So let's fly around a little bit and see if I can see a lake somewhere. None of that looks too promising. And it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to go too much higher. Look, it's a little easier as you go up. Oh, that's nice. Air's thinner, I guess. Oh, look at that. I'm up to 33 minutes of flying time. Do a quick U-turn here. See if I can see anything. There's a hole over there. Unfortunately, I don't see any water. Let's go downhill over here. It's hard to tell how fast you're going way up here. Well, I'm going to fly around it. See how it flies pretty well. But, I'm going to fly and see if I can find a lake. I'll be back. Okay, so I just realized there's ice up here in the mountains. I'm wondering, I bet you I can get it from the ice, or from the snow up here. I wonder. I don't see any lakes anywhere. See if I can get it up here. I gotta be very careful that I don't run out of power. But there's definitely snow up here. I'm wondering if I can sweep up the snow and get ice. I'm sure everybody's like, yeah, you can do that, or no, you can't do that. We're gonna find out. Go inside. See what happens when some of this ice, or snow, I guess it is. Come on. That looks kind of promising. Alright. Go up and hover for a minute. Oh! I always do that. I hit F. One of these times it's going to kill me. I'm sure everybody done that in the past and been like, yeah, we've been there. I want I. And then let's see. Ice! Excellent. So all I have to do is fly up here into the mountains and scrape a little bit. And I get ice. That's kind of handy. I think I can get about 60 kilograms down there on the bottom right. So, I don't want to get the rocks. Of course, I'll kick the rocks out the back. I got it set up that way. Okay, they're still going up. Still going up. 6. Now don't hit F. I. Drills are full. Where's my... Oh, I should have emptied that. Oh, there's not much in there. 48, 9. The cargo container, that's full. Drills aren't quite full, so I can get a little bit more. You basically keep going until your weight doesn't go up, and then you know you've done what you can do. I must be getting rocks because it's kind of disappearing now. Not full. Very close though. I think I went too deep there. Maybe not. Still going up. That's it. Oh no, it went up again. Okay. Now it's stopped going up, so I think that's it. Inventory. Yeah, 25. We're close. It looks like as much as I can carry. Okay. Yep, I'm moving a bit slower. So where is my base? Over this way somewhere. Hopefully I can make it back before I run out of fuel. I guess the higher you go, the better. Although I'm up in the mountains at this point. So let's just fly straight. I got 13 minutes. Where's my base? I think it's over this way. I could turn off the other things on GPS and then they wouldn't show up, but 12 minutes. I'm looking for the base. And I'm flying perfect too, aren't I? There we go. There's base. I was flying right at it. That's not bad. I can just take trips up to the mountain, get ice, and start making some water. I have to make an irrigation system. I have to fly slower because it takes a lot longer to stop when you're loaded. I learned that pretty quick. As you can see, I'm like at full reverse here. Yo! Everything you do a little slower. At least with this miner. Let's come in for a landing here. And I'm gonna get flat again. Ah, 12 minutes yet. We're still good. I can fly up to that mountain and get a whole bunch more ice. Excuse me. Let's see here. Turn my camera on. 2. Okay, I gotta go forward. There it is. So if I put that little X right around that line, it's pretty close, and then slowly go down a little off, go that way just a little bit. It should grab nice and gently, becoming slow. There we go. Go F, lock it, and F. It should be loading all that ice automatically. Should be. Looks like it is. It'll pull it into the O2 generator as it needs it. Generator. There it is. Yep. So we're making hydrogen. And once the hydrogen's full, I can make a... Well, I can make it now, really. But I can make a irrigation system. Now, I don't have any bad weather here that I've seen. I get fog. So I'm kind of thinking to do an experiment and putting some farming stuff over here, maybe plant one and see if I have bad weather. I do get lightning storms. I don't know if that'll damage it. I used up half my batteries. What are solar panels doing, I wonder? Probably not too good. Especially, where is the sun? Straight up, not going to do too good at all. Oh, maybe I put them the wrong way. Maybe they have to go on the other side. Got two things. Eventually I'm about to figure out. Yeah, I should put them over there. I'll tear those out and put them back up. Might only be able to pull out. Oh, I don't know. I might have to put them somewhere else because they're going to interact if I put them over here with the wind turbines, and they won't let me do that. We'll figure it out. But I think I got to put them this way instead of that way. Let's find out. This won't take a second. Put one over here. We'll still have it? Yes, 7 or 6. Put it there. Now I only have 1. Oh no, I got 3. It just took a while. So that is the correct way. So I can do this. Oh, gotta go a little closer. I gotta do this before I run out of fuel. Can I put it there? I can put it there though. Kind of a lopsided, but that's going to shield my oxygen jet, my algae farm, but I was thinking of tearing that down anyway because I don't ever eat the algae because I get so many stupid wolves attacking me. Speaking of which, I'm going to recharge my, there we go. So that should work better because now they're facing the sun. And it is definitely shading my algae farm. How many lights I got on the algae farm right now? 1. Yeah. I'll probably tear this down and put it in the front just to be uniform. And down 1 too. But, well, I'm only getting 1 there. I don't like it. It won't let me put it on this side. It's kind of strange. Huh. It won't let me put it to the front. Oh, maybe if I flip it? No. There we go. Had to flip it. That's better. Looks a little more aesthetic. Now I'm getting 2. That's because the sun's moving up probably. Well, that's it for today, I think. Let's charge these batteries. Let's go in here, do F. Oh. I. Control panel. Battery, ship front and rear. I could group these two probably up higher. I could make a group of these. I gotta do that, figure it out. Put those on recharge so they're not charging my base. And they're just charging. I did put another battery on there. I didn't orient it correctly. I'm really bad at that. Okay, so I got 2 and 2. I don't know. What is that charging? Can I see that from in here? I gotta put a ramp here so I don't have to keep jumping. let's look at solar. Well, that would be in here, wouldn't it? Solar. Panel 3. I'm getting 62 whole kilowatts, and probably going down here. The sun goes higher. It's something. I'm back to 1 there. I was thinking of doing that for the longest time. I love when you get sideways. And we'll just put all that back in there. That's obviously not the ideal place, since I have to figure out how to do rotations. I haven't done that yet. But there you go. That's it for today. I'm still enjoying this game. This is a fun thing to fly. I'm still a little hesitant to mine in the ground with it. I'll get used to it. I have to make the holes wider somehow. It's almost like I should put another 2 drill bits on it, but I end up getting kind of stuck in the hole and having trouble backing out, and then when I do back out, I bang the back of the ship all up to smithereens. Can I put another cargo on here? You know, then it's really going to get heavy. I actually don't need another battery, because I made it to the mountain. Oh, it's already up to 3. So that's actually pretty good. We still... this is kind of hard to figure out for me. I can never remember how to do this. There is a way to see how much is in here, but I can never find it. Where's my tank? Hydrogen, where's my hydrogen tank? Was that the hydrogen tank? I think it is. But there's no little device on here. Well, it says it's 3/4, but there's a way to read that, and I figured it out, but I can find it, but I'm only 3/4. Do I have any more ice? That had already cooked it all. Oh, I do have more ice. It's still going. Do I have any more ice left in the ship? So I'm going to do that way. Yes, I do. Not much. Put it in the ejector. Can I do that? I gotta put it in the sorter, don't I? Well, it's in the cockpit. I guess I gotta go to the front. I got them all covered. It should take it on its own. I got a ton of ice yet. If I put it, I guess it's just still pulling it, so I can take this out of here, scroll down, put it in there, except it's full. Should take all these out of here. I don't know how they got in there, to be honest with you. I can't take them out of there either. It's tricky when you use a converter because you can't access things the same way. I can't even see the ship from here. There's some ice. Can I get to the cockpit? To the generator. That's not full, so I should be able to do this until it is full, which it is now. So I'm still making H2. And that's full. That's it. Okay. So I got quite a bit of ice out of that. I might be able to fill up the hydrogen tank with that. How did I do that? Go control panel. Search for tank. There it is. I'm at 88%. It's almost full, so I'm going to have extra ice. I can start working on the farm. Do a test patch over here to see if the weather here damages it. I haven't had any. I've had some of the things that I started, there's the ice pellets and other weird weather, but I don't get it here. I'm in a more temperate area, I guess, unless thunderstorms do it. But here is some seeds. So if we run over here, grab these, then I'll have plant, and I can run back. To figure out solar panels, and maybe I'll make another hour or something for them. I think it's in here. Production. Survival? No. Production. Food processor, that was correct. Oh, there it is. So if I put... Let's go back to inventory. This is confusing as all get out. Where did those seeds go? Seeds. Should be in my hand. Wait a minute. There they are. Okay, so let's put that... I can't do that. I gotta go to the food processor first. Production. And turn these off. And then go and put these inventory, put that in the food processor. Where's my hand again? Oh, over here. Oh yeah. Getting kind of stupid here. Processor. So I can make, there we go. So I can click on that and I should get seeds. Fruit seeds. Okay, good. So I figured that out. But anyway, it's again, Navy Old Salt Gamer. Subscribe and like. I'm still a noob. Having fun though. I kind of enjoyed. That was kind of nice. I didn't have to get a lake. I just fly up to the mountaintops and get, look at that, fully charged again. Get what I need for ice up there. We'll see you in the next episode.